Let's learn how to make a duplet and a quad. They're really simple to make. I'm going to be using just 5-inch balloons to show you how to do it today. So what we're going to do is just grab 2 of our balloons in the same colour in this instance. All you're going to do then is grab your hand inflator, or you can do this with helium, whatever you want to do. And with this one, because it's a 2-way pump, I just do 2 pumps. Then I'm going to get my second balloon, and I'm just holding the first one in my hand, making sure that that does not deflate. And again, 2 pumps the same. So now I've got 2 balloons the same size, neither of which are tied. What I'm going to do now is just cross those necks over together and just wrap that one around there, and then just tie a single knot in that. It doesn't need to be a double knot because the elasticity of the latex balloon will hold it together, and it sort of pushes a force against the knot so it holds it nicely. So that is a duplet, which is super duper easy to make. Then moving on from that, if you want to make a quad, which is what we make a lot of garland and balloon stacks and collars and all that sort of stuff from, you're going to need to be able to make these quads pretty quickly and easily. So all we're going to do is grab another set of 2, and we're just going to inflate these in the same fashion as we did with the first one. So again, 2 balloons, cross them over and tie together. So now we've got 2 duplets. All I'm going to do now is just push those 2 sets of necks together in the centre and just cross them over. There is my quad. Now, sometimes they don't sit quite right and they'll lift up, but once you put 2 together, they will work just fine. So now I'm going to show you how to make a triple cluster, which you might use if you are going to be doing some sort of garland decor or something similar to that. So let's do that next. So for this, obviously we're going to need 3 balloons. So I've got 2 golds and a ivory. Let's just start out again by inflating a duplet. Again, cross them over, wrap that round and tie. Pop that one to one side. Then I'm just going to inflate my single ivory balloon. And I'm not going to tie it, I am just going to grab my duplet and I'm going to put that neck underneath there, and I'm just going to tie that in a knot around that. And then that is a triple cluster. Another tip that I like to give you at this stage is when you are making your duplets or your quads, it's a good idea to just snip these necks off, because they are quite heavy when you think you might have 8 of them on a balloon. So it's a nice idea just to get rid of them. So I usually do it at the inflation stage, it makes it easier, but if you feel more comfortable doing it once they're tied together, that's absolutely fine. And then this is what it's going to look like. Now the only thing you need to make sure of is that your knot is pulled nice and tight, because this can pull apart occasionally, but it doesn't happen very often. It's just something to look out for. So I do that just to save weight, and also it makes it look a little bit more tidy. Here are a few examples in the shop today of what you can use quads and duplets for. So this is a collar of balloons on a beautiful new baby bubble. We also use them to attach a foil balloon onto a number stack. So this is just a quad that we've put on there and attached onto the number, and then it allows us to attach a foil balloon onto it. Then at the bottom, the stack is made up again of duplets and quads, just in different colours. This one's a rainbow theme. And then I'm going to show you some more things that you can make using duplets, quads and triple clusters, just with some pictures. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you again for another one really soon. Take care. Bye.